Good morning. Today we're going to talk about renewable energy that consists of hydro, biomass, and wind energy.
The 1970s Donald Trump led to a surge in interest in renewable energy, particularly in the United States, where the U.S. shifted to domestic coal for electricity production and imposed dual economic standards. Other developed countries like France and Japan focused on nuclear energy or developing domestic renewable resources like hydropower, wind, and biomass. As oil prices collapse, interest in renewables decline, while hydro and biomass grow. So what is renewable energy? Renewable energy is a sustainable uptake from sources that are exhaustible, unlike fossil fuels. Renewable energy sources include wind, solar, biomass, geothermal, and hydro, all of which occur naturally on our planet. It is clean energy and non-renewable. Many forms do not create any greenhouse gases or toxic waste in the process of producing electricity. It is a sustainable energy sources which can be relied on the long term. Renewable energy is cost effective and efficient. Some renewable energy ay mula sa mga pagkukulan na hindi nauubos tulad ng mga hangin, araw, at mga lupa. Ang renewable energy ay hindi nagkakos ng air pollution at hindi rin ito naglalabas ng greenhouse gases, which is yun yung capital sa atmosphere na nagdarating ng init mula sa araw sa ating planet. Hindi rin ito nakasama sa atmospheric since maasahan din ito sa mga habang panahon at mas murang effective kumpara sa mga pagkukulan ng energy. Biomass energy. Any organic matter is to be fossil fuels because artificially developed especially used as fuel. Because of the wood, charcoal, garlic, rice, steel, and all these and other materials. How biomass energy is used? Classification, fermentation, and soluble combustion are five different processes that use biomass regularly. Biomass energy is a renewable energy source na nagmula sa mga organic materials like wood, crop, residues, animal waste, and other organic materials. So this will very common. One of the most common system for generating biomass energy is through direct combustion or UV. Direct na pagsunod ng organic materials para makabuo ng heat. And after na mag-generate para makabuo ng electricity and heat proteins. So ang process na ito ay parang katulad ng fossil fuels kung saan susunod ito para sa energy. Kaya nga po ang patutunan ka sustainable and environmental friendly ang biomass energy. Tinutuloy ito renewable resources.
So these are the parts of biomass. So this makes biomass. So we have gasification, pyrolysis, digestion, and fermentation. So biomass is actually like a fossil fuel, but actually like in an organic way.
How biomass energy is about?
Ikaw naman.
Example, biomass, also biomass fire furnace, light of and oven, biomass fire blower. How biomass is respiration. Conclusion, the dry organic matter producing methane, value is gas, majority fuel, produce gas. Behavior to produce lower internet, and gas.
Pyrolysis is not based on reduction of heat therefore flowing volume. Oils and gases instead of pyrolysis converted anaerobic fermentation of bacteria with decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air, i.e. anaerobic produced by gas, elongating volume, gas which is 50% to 60%. Contain fermentation system is often called by gas common language by gas which starts animal waste having been indoors and things. There was a
Another organic waste. Waste comes from what is hydro? Hydro means water in the air. It is the most often used or renewable energy to make hydropower or hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy that generates power by using a dam or diversion structure to alter the natural flow of a river or other body of water. Wait lang. Hydropower is a form of renewable energy obtained from the movement of water, such as river, lakes, or seas. The kinetic or potential energy of water is harnessed to generate electricity through hydroelectric power plant. In this process, water moves through turbines that activate electric generators. Hydropower is a clean and abundant source of energy that does not produce polluting emissions. Furthermore, hydroelectric power plants enable the regulation of water flow, water plants, and provide water for irrigation and human consumption. Hydropower platforms. Water goes into the well-stop pipe at high speed through the main tower, and then goes to a turbine wheel turbine. The turbine wheel spins the rotor of the generator and makes AC generate electricity. The electricity goes to the electrical to be used in your home, in stores, and in manufacturing plants.
So, how ocean energy system and biomass energy work? So, it includes all forms of energy that can be utilized from the bodies of oceans and seas, such as ocean thermal energy, ocean current, and wave energy, and tidal energy. So, when speaking of hydro energy, it also focuses on water, mainly focuses on water. And we get those water from the natural sources of the bodies of the water. And hydropower is actually one of the cleanest form of renewable energy because it lessens the pollution since it mainly uses water, and there are types of hydropower which is ocean thermal energy, ocean current, wave energy, and tidal energy.
What is wind energy? Wind energy is the energy contained in the forms of the wind blowing across the Earth's surface. Wind created when air that has been warmed over sun heated land rises, leaving a vacuum in the space it was occupied. Cooler surrounding air that rushes into the field, the vacuum, The movement of Russian air is what we know as wind. Wind power or wind energy is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the power of the wind to generate electricity. Ang wind energy ay isang energy na nagkakalit sa hangin. Ito ay kadalasan ginagamitan ng turbine na nagpapaandar nito pag may napapahangin. Sa pag-ikot ng turbine, ito ay maglilitan ng enerhiya na magagamit sa lugar na nakakabit nito. Mahalaga ang mga windmill dahil sila ang mga halimbawa ng renewable energy source o mga pinagkukuhanan ng enerhiya na may babalikan. Hindi katulad ng gas o kumbulyo. Ang windmill ay gumagamit ng natural na hangin para makagawa ng enerhiya. How wind energy works? Wind energy provides energy that enables the wind to drive DC current that can be used to run a machine. How can an inverter is installed to convert the DC or AC current that is used in both? In addition, a battery system can be installed to provide backup power when it's not adequate enough for a